Hello everyone. Today's recipe is a Bengali delicacy as we all Bengalis love this. It is none other than topse mache bora or mango fish fry. For that I have taken 700 gram of topse mach. I have washed them and then I have marinated them with bit of turmeric, say around 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we are going to the following procedures. Hope you will enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned. The marination I will do in this flat kadhai of mine, which I don't use for cooking anymore. So I have transferring the fishes in it, and then I will squeeze one lemon. Next I will add green chilies and ginger garlic paste. Green chilies I have grinded around 6 to 8 green chilies in a mixer grinder, and I am adding around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mixing them well with the fishes. I am coating them well so that each fish gets coated very well with the marinade. Now we will cover and let the fishes soak in the marinade for around half hour, and now we will make our batter. For the batter I have taken around 8 tablespoons of besan, and to that I am adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour, followed by 1 teaspoon of kalonji or kalo jeera, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and just a pinch of baking soda, and we will mix it well. Now we will add water little by little. Here I have washed the bowl in which I have kept the green chili paste, and I added the water. Add water little by little so that we have a lump free batter. Add water and keep on mixing. Our objective is to make a thick batter, not too runny, lump free. Our batter is almost ready. One tip is to keep the batter thick. At any time, if it is thick, you can add water and adjust, but if it's too thin, then again you have to add besan. So add water little by little and then adjust accordingly. See the consistency, this is thick pouring consistency. So now our batter is done, and now it's time to fry our fishes. Now I am adding sufficient oil to shallow fry the fishes. If you want, you can deep fry the fishes as well, as per your choice. The oil is pretty hot now, and to check I am adding few drops of besan to it, and see they are just swimming in the oil, which means the oil is ready. So now take the fish and carefully coat it in the marinade, and hold the fish by its tail, jerk off the excess marinade, and slowly and carefully we dip it in the oil. Just be careful to hold the tail firmly, else it will slip and oil will splash over you. So just be careful. See, I am doing it again. I'm just wrapping the fish in the marinade, in the besan mixture, and holding it by its tail and just slipping it carefully on the oil. Keep in mind to keep the heat to medium high as the fish will absorb too much of oil, and turn the fish 1 minute after. Keep on turning the fishes and it will take around 5 minutes to fry. As soon as you dip the fishes in the oil, a nice aroma will fill your house. I have been frying the fishes for almost 5 minutes now, and see they have reached a nice golden brown color, and so I will take them out. It's almost done. Our crispy yummy topse macher bora is done, and now I will take out the fishes. Jerk off the excess oil. And here you go, your first batch is ready. Likewise, in the same way, I will fry the rest of the fishes. Just be careful while dropping the fishes in oil. Keep your hand near the oil because else the oil may splutter. And in this way we will fry the next of the fishes, and soon your platter will be full. Finally, our tasty and crispy topse mache bora is done. You can have it with rice or as it is, but we Bengalis prefer it with rice with bit of lemon and sliced onions. So here you go. Hope you have enjoyed this authentic Bengali recipe, and if you do, then please like, share and comment on this video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.